we'll guide you through how to delete a workspace in Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your desktop screen and make sure you can clearly see the main desktop area before starting. Locate the Google Chrome shortcut icon among the icons available on your desktop. Double-click the Chrome icon to open the browser and begin the process. Wait for the browser window to load completely so all controls become available. Select your preferred Chrome profile if multiple profiles are displayed on the screen. Click the address bar located at the top of the browser window. Type notion.com into the address bar and press Enter on your keyboard. Wait for the Notion homepage to load fully before moving to the next step. Look at the top right corner of the page where the account options are displayed. Click the Open Notion button to access your workspace. Wait for your Notion workspace to open and finish loading all content. Check the left sidebar and locate the available navigation options. Click the Settings button identified by the gear icon in the sidebar. Wait for the Settings window to appear on your screen. Under the Workspace section, click General to open the Workspace Settings page. Scroll to the bottom of the General Settings page carefully until you reach the final section. Find the Danger Zone section, which contains options related to workspace removal. Click the red Delete Workspace button to continue with the deletion process. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking for your workspace name before the action can proceed. Click the text box inside the pop-up and enter the exact name of your workspace. After entering it correctly, the Permanently Delete Workspace button will become active and clickable. Review the information shown in the confirmation window and ensure the workspace name was entered accurately. Click the red button when you are ready to proceed with the permanent deletion. When the onboarding page appears on the screen asking how you would like to use Notion, this indicates that the workspace has been successfully deleted.